Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to freeze panes in Excel. Freezing panes in Excel helps you keep important rows or columns visible while you scroll through large spreadsheets. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and click on View. I'm using the web version, so it may vary depending on whether you are using the desktop or web version. In the web version, go to View and you will see an option called Freeze Panes. Click on it and you can select top row or first column. If I choose top row and scroll down, you will see the top row is frozen. Similarly, if I click on first column and scroll to the side, the first column will be frozen. If you ever want to remove the frozen panes, just go back to the View tab, click on Freeze Panes again, and then click on Unfreeze Panes. And that's it. We just learned how to freeze panes in Excel to keep rows or columns visible while scrolling through the data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.